Welcome to the complete guide for setting up your LINE Ads account. This tutorial will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you can successfully create and configure your account for advertising on Japan's most popular platform. If you are opening a LINE Ads account from outside Japan, you must connect your computer to a VPN set to Japan. Without this, you will not be able to verify your official account or run cost-per-friend campaigns. Let's begin the setup process. First, open your web browser and navigate to the LINE Ads Manager website, and click the orange button to begin registration. Select Sign Up with Email, enter your business email address, and click Send Sign Up Link. Check your inbox for a verification link from LINE and click the link to continue. Enter your name, set a password, and click Sign Up. Agree to the terms of use and privacy policy to proceed. When prompted for the client entity, select LY Corporation. Make sure to change the business type to sole proprietor. Enter your company details, ensuring all information matches your official documents. Please refer to our account opening guide PDF for detailed guidance on how to do it correctly. In the advertiser info section, enter the correct name. This cannot be changed after account creation and must match the official company name on your website. Select your ad account category. This also cannot be changed later. If you have a LINE official account, enter your ID. If not, create one now by completing the required information. For the industry category, displayed in Japanese, contact our team for assistance if needed. Your new LINE official account ID will begin with an @ symbol. If it is not auto-filled, enter it manually. Complete the remaining fields and click Create. The final step is adding your payment information. Enter your credit card details and click Confirm to finalize your setup. Please note that LINE only accepts 3D Secure 2.0 credit cards. Please contact our team if you experience any issues with the credit card registration and contact your bank to confirm your card has the necessary security enhancements. Refer to our account opening guide if needed. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the LINE ad account setup process. Your account is now submitted for review, and you should receive confirmation and next steps via email. For any questions, please contact your account manager. Thank you for watching.